I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the third lesson of Standard 4. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus, Cordova Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the poem, The Letter. This poem tells us about the important things we should keep in mind when we write a letter to our near and dear ones. So in this poem you are going to study how to write a letter and what are the things that you should keep in mind when you write a letter to your near and dear ones. Now read this beautiful poem and at the same time enjoy and appreciate it. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. So the poet is saying that the poet is writing a letter to send by the post. What is post? Post means the official system of sending letter is called post. So the poet is writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. The poet is saying that he is writing this letter to the person whom he cares the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy. So from this paragraph you can understand that the poet is writing the letter to her mother. So the poet is saying that I write the date clearly. First the poet writes the date clearly on the letter, then and he put the address and begins, dearest mummy. So the poet is writing the letter to his dearest mummy. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. So the poet says that my pen travels slowly. That is the poet's pen is traveling slowly. That is the poet is writing very slowly. All down the long sheet. The poet is writing it down the long sheet of paper. Because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. So the poet is writing, the poet's pen moves very slowly through the long sheet because the poet is very anxious to keep the paper or to keep the letter very neat. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink, such nice blotting paper, the color is pink. So the poet says that I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. The poet is using blotting paper to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper. Blotting paper means the soft paper which is used for drying ink is called the blotting paper. The poet is using this blotting paper and the color of the blotting paper is pink. I turn the page over and then goes my pen till lastly come kisses. There is just room for 10. So the poet says that I turn the page over. So the poet turns the page over and then goes my pen and still the poet continues writing. Till lastly comes kisses. Now the poet has almost finished writing the letter. So till lastly comes kisses. There is just room for 10. The poet says that the poet gives there is only just the room for 10 kisses. That is the poet is giving 10 kisses for his mother. The envelope is ready. I put the stamp on and run to the post box and now it has gone. So in this paragraph the poet says that the envelope is now ready. What is envelope? Envelope means the paper which is used for sending letter is called the envelope. Now the envelope is ready. I put the stamp on. Stamp on. What is the stamp? Stamp means the small piece of paper which is used to stick on the envelope is called the stamp. So the poet says that the envelope is now ready and he puts the stamp on the envelope and run to the post box, and the poet runs to the post box and now it has gone. That is the letter is now gone. The poem was written by Margaret G. Rhodes. Now we'll go to the one word of this lesson. Blotting paper. The soft thick paper which is used for drying ink after one has written something on a piece of paper is called the blotting paper. Then what is envelope? Envelope means the flat paper packet which is used for sending letters. Then post, the official system used for sending and delivering letters. Stamp. Stamp means a small piece of paper with a design on it that we stick on an envelope before we post it. Now, let's discuss the answer the following. Who is the poet writing a letter to? The poet is writing a letter to her mother. Then number 2. How does the poet begin the letter? The poet begins the letter with the date and the address followed by dearest mummy. Number 3. Why does the poet's pen travel slowly? She wants to keep the letter neat. A. What is a blotting paper? And why do we use a blotting paper? What is a blotting paper? The blotting paper is a soft, thick paper that we use for drying ink after we have written something on a piece of paper. Then, how many kisses does the poet gives to her mother? That is 10 kisses. Then, number 6. What does the poet do after the envelope is ready? Once the envelope is ready, the poet puts on the stamp and runs to the post box. Now, next one. Read these lines carefully. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. So, the underlined words are the rhyming words. See, post and most. These two words are underlined. These two words are called the rhyming words. Such words makes a poem musical. It is these rhyming words that makes the poem musical. Then, find 4 pairs of rhyming words in the poem, the letter. Add one more word to each pair. So, they are telling you to find 4 more rhyming words from the poem. So, there is ink, pink, link. Then, from the word pen, you can write 10, den. Then, from the word on, gone, dawn. I hope you all understood this poem. Please read this poem and please send your comments and please subscribe to my channel. Okay children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.